today when you had first put your first right foot forward in our store, what attracted you towards our store?
First of all, designing of your stall.
If the designing of our stall too good,
Yeah, it's amazing the way you are using this laminate in this primate form. This is completely unique. And after that, the product range which you have displayed here, especially that synchronized veneer laminates range, it is tremendous.
right? So in amongst this entire unit, which particular section caught your most attraction towards your architectural mind?
This synchronized laminate range, yeah, in that primate form which we displayed here.
Okay. So having said this, since you are in this field for so long years, so what is the trend or the hottest trend you are seeing right now as per the client's, demand or feedback or the one that you are using?
Look, right now it's all about solid colors. Matte is coming in. The gloss surfaces are going out. But I think we are at the stage of tremendous change. We may see veneers like laminate back in I think 6 to 10 months. So the designing pattern is changing. We are shifting from contemporary to neoclassic or classic, and that crotch type look is coming back to fashion. Okay, so right now it's solids, but future is for wooden greens laminates or stone finish laminates.
Fair enough. Since today, right now, many young budding, architects, interior designers are coming up very nicely, very creatively, I should say. So, sir, what will be your one message towards it that the new generation or the new young budding, architects and interior designers should?
Young generation architects, so how can I give a message to them? But to my fellow architect, to my colleagues in this field, to my all new architects, this is a great field. Architecture, interior designing is a field where you got chance to create something. I always say after Brahma, architect is one who creates something. So do great designing, do great thing, but whatever you are doing, do it with some responsibility, because house is not something which is made every day. If you are making a house of some of your client, don't make it showpiece. Make it a place where he live comfortably, and the vibes of that house should match their personality, their self.
It's a very nice lines you told just now that if you are making someone's house or if you have given the responsibility for that particular house, we should do responsibility. हम लोग का टैगलाइन जो है घर सजाए साथ निभाए तो ये भी बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबल वाला टैगलाइन है. हाउ डू यू थिंक आवर ब्रांड टैगलाइन घर सजाए साथ निभाए is catering to you support as a brand in terms of delivering products, and how do you think the young budding architects or the interior designing fraternity who have not used Amulya Mica, what will be your message to them? Amulya Mica since so many years.
First of all, you are saying घर सजाए साथ निभाया. Our tagline is happy homes, happy you. तो हम एक ही बात कह रहे हैं. As far as Amulya as a brand is concerned, what I feel, the quality is exceptional and price is not at that high. So if some youngster is making a house, someone who is building up their career is making his house, he can easily get new fresh design on a competitive rate. हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि बहुत हाइप वाली रेट नहीं है हमारे, लेकिन हाँ डिजाइन एब्सोल्युटली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द मार्केट. सो बिल्कुल चाहे वो नए आर्किटेक्ट्स हों, चाहे वो नए कोई लोग जो अपना घर बना रहे हैं, दे शुड यूज दिस. It is good as far as design is concerned. It is good as far as quality is concerned.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Last but not the least, a candid question. A cup of tea or a cup of coffee, which excites you most while choosing laminates?
I have lactose intolerance, so neither tea nor coffee.
Okay. So a plain glass of water
That is the best.
and the Amulya Mica in branding forward, which motivates you.
Always. Amulya Mica, as far as creativity is concerned, मैंने देखा है कि they always come up with some new pattern, new design, which is always exciting.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Alkesh. And as you have seen, it's a pleasure to have a candid talk. I should not say an interview bite, but a candid talk with him. He just spoke out his heart. And the one liner that he has told is that our tagline, Ghar Sajaye, Saath Nibaye, actually speaks out, because this is what Amulya Mica as a brand cares for, the customers cares for in delivering the quality products for architects in terms of delivering quality finish to the end customers. Thank you so much. This is Subhashish signing off.